Hello friend, in this video we'll discuss about the Ecam control panel engine SD page. So once you are pressing engine page on the Ecam control panel on lower Ecam, you'll find out this engine page will pop out. So this is your engine page. Right now maximum all the information is cross amber because FedEx is not energized. So we'll discuss this thing about the FedEx in another chapter, and we'll discuss about the first indication. This is your fuel used in kg. This kg indication will come depending on the pin programming of DMC computer, and this is engine 1 fuel consumption and this is engine 2 fuel consumption. This will automatically become 0 in the next start. After shutdown, whatever fuel consumption is there, still this will appear on the Ecam. This will also become cross sometime reported by the captain, so not to worry for that. Whenever cross mark is there, I will just suggest just do the master lever on and off, then automatically this value will become 0. Whenever cross mark is there, definitely there is some input is not getting to for the indication or invalid data, invalid parameter, then only cross amber mark will come. So just do a master lever on and off, automatically this indication will become normal. So once you are going for the next start, then this will become 0. There is one more thing. Once you are going to the this, sometime you get like this 2 bar, mean this is a same also invalid fuel use data. So this also can be reset by the mode selector only, depend on the experience. This is my experience, whatever I am telling, you can do reset with the mode selector. Yes, either you can do, just you can try with FWC computer also. Fuel filter bypass all clock condition. Whenever what will happen, this clock indication will come just below the digital value of the fuel use quantity. Whenever differential pressure sensor across the filter measure a bypass condition or filter clock condition, then only this indication will come. And there is a provision for MEL. Just check the latest MEL. There is this can go under in under Cat A MEL, and maybe there may be some part number required for the particular filter, whether the same part number used or not, then only it will be applicable. So just check the MEL. I will not discuss about the MEL here. This is the oil quantity indication for the engine 1 and engine 2. So if we talk about the analog display, as a percentage of maximum value, oil quantity will be 24.25. so here maximum value is 24.25 quarts for the this analog display. If we talk about the digital display in quarts or liters set by the DMC pin programming on 3 digits from 0.0 to 99.5%. so from 0 to 99.5% can only you should know the maximum oil quantity is if you're talking about this analog display is 24.25 quantity. So pulsing green, whenever quantity drops below the low oil level threshold by amber mark, whenever quantity drop below the low oil level threshold, so by the amber mark, then it will be pulsing green. Amber cross will come in case of invalid oil quantity. Needle amber limit mark is removed. Digital value is replaced by the amber crosses. Scale is still displayed in white. Amber crosses, in the case of invalid oil quantity, you will get amber cross. Needle amber limit mark is removed. This will also removed. Digital value is replaced by 2 amber cross. This also can be replaced by 2 amber cross. Then scale is still displaying the white, and this is your oil pressure indication. So this is in green, oil pressure is in normal range, and the scale goes from 0 to 450 psi. It will go if indication is in normally, and this will go pulsing green. Oil pressure is above the advisory limit, and advisory limit is 259 psi. Again I will tell, don't remember the value. And amber will come once oil pressure is in amber range. So once oil pressure will come in amber range, then automatically amber will come. So we'll just go, and red also will come whenever oil pressure is in the red zone. So we'll just see this diagram. Pulsing green below the amber alert threshold, then pulsing green will come. This is your amber mark. And steady green, no needle, invalid signal will be like this indication you will get. So if you see this is your oil pressure. Just for example, low pressure limit depend on the N2 speed, high pressure limit depend on the oil temperature. So the low pressure will come once N2 speed is reduced, and high pressure will depend on the oil temperature. So if you see here, pulsing green above N2 warning level, but below the advisory level. It's above N2 warning level, but still below the advisory level, it will be pulsing green. And there will be the study red mark below the N2 warning level. When it is on below the N2 warning level, there will be the cross amber. If invalid oil pressure, then you can see here also clog indication, study amber clog, oil filter in bypass clogged, and level 3 warning message will come, oil filter clog, check the MEL whether it is available or not. So generally what happen, while low pressure advisory limit value vary depend on the engine N2 speed, and low pressure red line limit value vary depend on the engine N2 speed, as well oil high pressure advisory limit value depend on the oil temperature. So these are all the three oil pressure limits indication on the oil pressure gauge. And once filter is clogged, you sometimes will get a FedEx engine in maintenance on the status page also. And this is also Cat A MEL only, just look over the MEL latest. This is your oil temperature, and range will be minus 95 degrees Celsius to 995 degrees Celsius of the temperature value. This will also, there is also condition pulsing green, advisory threshold exceed, then you will get pulsing green, study green if the temperature is below 135 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes or 150 degrees Celsius for 5 seconds. So these two criteria, then amber indication will come, and there will be the study amber cross, same invalid data, invalid signal from the computer. I will discuss about the vibration N1 N2 speed. So here also same concept, green and amber. Vibration of LP or HP rotor is in normal range, you will get green indication. If there is a excessive vibration, you will get amber indication. So if we'll go in detail about that. So N1 N2 vibration range 3 digit from the 0.0 to 12.8 unit, it will come here. So EC computer will convert the vibration related parameter to the cockpit unit to display the flight deck. So here you will get indication about the 0.0 to 12.8 unit, and it is considered as a standard cockpit unit. N1 N2 vibration, steady amber whenever vibration value exceeds 6.0 cockpit unit for N1 and 4.25 cockpit unit for N2. So there is a limitation, you will get steady amber whenever value exceeds 6 cockpit unit for N1 and 4.25 for N2. So both indication you will get N1 and N2. So this is the limitation, and amber display will also give you will get vibration. Here I have already mentioned, you can see like this you will get for N1, like this you will get for N2 if limitation. So this is your nacelle temperature. This will also come in digital value in degrees Celsius from minus 99 degrees Celsius to 995 degrees Celsius it will detect. Nacelle temperature is not normally shown, and it will be displayed whenever nacelle temperature advisory display has been triggered on the one of the engine, then only it will trigger. Even nacelle temperature indication is replaced by starter valve. So in the next image, the same display will be replaced with the starter valve whenever the starting sequence is performed. So here also, if you see pulsing green, the temperature is exceeded a nacelle temperature advisory display unit more than 280 degree, you will get pulsing green, and it will be invalid data if there is a cross. This is your half of the display just in place of nacelle NTS whenever you are doing engine start sequence. So this is your pressure indication 35 degrees 35 psi, and this is your starter valve open close indication. This is your ignition indication ARB. So whenever you are initiating engine start, then you will get any one in ignition. If first starter fail, then FedEx will automatically energize both ignition A and B, and it will give continuous ignition for the starting sequence. This is the position invalid, data not received, and this is the low pressure. If it is going below 21 psi, then you will get low pressure indication in the amber. So if you go through quickly about, you can see these all are the indication. Fuel used, here you will get clogged indication. This is your oil quantity, this is your oil pressure, and you will get oil filter clog below this. This is your oil temperature, and this is your vibration N1 N2 vibration limit. sometime this is a core ice boost anti-ice protection. You will get indication in case of automatically this will come. This three thing will not in the picture, all depend on the scenario. This three thing will be added automatically. Just for example, if temperature will go beyond in the nacelle, this you will get this indication. If you are initiating starting sequence, then you will get this indication. So this is all about the indication of SD page. So guys, hope you love this video, and if you really love this video, please share your feedback in the comment box. See you again on the next part of Ecam control panel.